maybe a small insect that can modify itself with conditions.
इसका
एक छोटी सी
अटेंडेंस थोड़ी
बैक्टीरिया को ले
लगेगा,
लीजिए,
क्लास थोड़ी है मम्मी
बैक्टीरिया
ये।
भी अपने आप को बदलाव करता है बचने के
सारे
लिए,
बच्चे बैठ के सुन रहे हैं,
उनसे भी हम सीख सकते हैं.
हेलो
मम्मी खाली 90 बच्चे हैं।
So
हेलो
these days need to just acknowledge the work, the labor, the guidance, the monitoring part provided by the teacher, that we design our life. उनके वजह से सीखते हैं, उनकी वजह से
प्लीज
हम आगे
म्यूट
बढ़ते
योर
हैं.
माइक।
So
आस्था अपनी माइक को म्यूट पे रखो।
this student fraternity, I thankful to all the teachers, those who have directly or indirectly helped me and always guided me to be a human being. So wish you all of best to the student for the program of the day. And because of these conditions, they are not able to organize, get assembled physically. But still, we are virtually present. So I welcome all of the students to share your views, share the programs that we can acknowledge the teachers on that day. Thank you.
अब इस विद्यालय के भावी कर्णधारों से अनुरोध है, अपने विद्यार्थियों से अनुरोध है कि बच्चे शिक्षक दिवस के अवसर पर जो कार्यक्रम प्रस्तुत करना चाहते हैं वो आगे आए और उसे प्रस्तुत करें. धन्यवाद.
A very pleasant good morning to all of you present over here, and a very good happy Teachers Day to all the teachers.
जी सर। अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा।
Yes, Nisa, start the program. Nisa Samant, you can start the program.
Good morning to everyone present over here. I am Sristika Late presenting our principal sir. Dear teachers, thanks for inspiring hope in me, igniting my imagination, and installing in me a love of learning. Thanks for being an excellent educator and a friend simultaneously. Happy Teachers' Day. You're not just a teacher to me, you're also an inspiration. Lucky to have you as a guide. The knowledge you share, the care you take, the love you show makes you the world's best teacher. Not only to Principal Sir, a very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers we have. You all had taught us more than the books. Thank you.
दिया ज्ञान का भंडार हमें, किया भविष्य के लिए तैयार हमें, हैं आभारी उन गुरुओं के हम, जो किया कृतज्ञ अपार हमें। इन्हीं शब्दों से सभी माननीय शिक्षक शिक्षिकाओं और प्रधानाचार्य को नमन करते हुए उन्हें शिक्षक दिवस की शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ।
A teacher's purpose is not to create students in his own image, but to develop students who can create their own image. Happy Teachers' Day to all our teachers and principals, sir.
Today on this precious occasion, we are grateful to say about our a very humble and great personality, the principal of KV Raigar, Mr. H. Pradhan sir.
Sir has joined us in 2017, and it is not a very long journey, but still, he has shared his immense knowledge to us and helped us in all aspects of life. Your work is appreciable, and you are an inspiration for all of us students. As per our personal experience, when we were studying in class 11, Mrs. Matthew ma'am has to leave us due to her retirement in mid-session, and we all were stuck.
But you are the only one who helped us out in spite of your busy schedule. Until now, you are sharing your knowledge and teaching us in this schedule. In the terms of biology, if we are the cell, then you are the DNA who codes us.
You are not only our teacher, you are our friend, philosopher, and guide, all molded into one person. We will always be grateful for your support.
Thank you, sir, and all teachers who have always been our guiding light and support system.
Good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to greet all of our teachers. Happy Teachers' Day on this auspicious occasion, and would heartily like to thank them for teaching us and teaching us and helping us to make our future bright. Now, I would like to say a few words and few things about our respected Chinese sir in brief. As we all know, Chinese sir is one of few teachers in our Vidyalaya who not only teaches us about the things that are in our curriculum, but also shares us his knowledge about the things that are important in life and how to pursue goal and successfully achieve it. We also get to know many inspirational and motivational thoughts and lines of poem which motivates us to do constant hard work and achieve our goal. At last, I would like to say a few lines of poem by Robert Frost which was narrated to us by Chinese sir. So the lines are as follows. The woods are lovely, dark and deep. The woods are lovely, dark and deep. And the miles to go before the woods are lovely, dark and deep. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep. But I have promises to keep. And miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Thank you.
Dear students, sorry to interrupt you. Please turn on your camera so that you'll be visible on screen. and we are recording the same that can be uploaded in our YouTube. Thank you. Next, please.
Morning, teachers and dear friends. As we all know that we have gathered here for the Teachers' Day celebration, we all know that in 3 months the children is getting worse day by day with COVID-19. And also your teachers are here for a better future that is so appreciated. After seeing this work situation, I lost hope for better results and I was thinking that these both are not paying attention properly. So here, and since our respected teacher, Mr. S. Anita, thank you so much for motivating us in every step of our life. Well, sir, from class 8, we are part of the Bible and we see with you. With my show, it's such a great for all of us. At last, I want to thank the again online. A teacher is like a candle and needs itself to light the way for us. And a very happy day.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Mayank Patel and happy Teachers Day to all of the teachers. So I am representing Chinese sir for and I want to tell something about that sir used to tell us in the classes. Chinese sir not only tell us teaches us but also tell us how to study in effective manner. He tells us how to manage our time daily and also give great emphasis on exercises and yoga so that we can keep ourselves physically and mentally well and also which help us to concentrate and focus well. So thank you, sir, for your advices that you give us to for our future so that we can success in our life and I would like to end with the slok that sir used to tell in the class that is आलस्यम आलस्यम ही मनुष्याणम सरिस्तो महारिपु जिसका मतलब है आलस्य ही मनुष्य का सबसे बड़ा शत्रु है धन्यवाद
A very good morning to the respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear friends. We all have gathered here today to celebrate Virtual Teachers' Day. Today's day is a special day for all of us where we can pay a hearty tribute to our teachers who take untiring efforts to build our future. They play a big role in building the character of students. They give knowledge, believe in us, and help us to achieve our dreams. They focus on improving the personality of the student and making them a good human being. They have also prepared us to face the challenge in life. Teachers are undoubtedly the backbone of the society. On the behalf of all the students, I would like to thank all the teachers for the unconditional love and efforts they take they take to give us knowledge and shape our personality. Thank you, Saha sir, and all the teachers for your love and dedication. Thank you so much and wish all of you a very happy Teachers' Day.
Respected principal sir, all my teachers and dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. As everyone already knows, we all are assembled together digitally because these are tough times which has been experienced never before. Whatever be the situation, the importance of day can never be undermined. Though we feel the value of our teachers in almost every aspect of daily life, it is very imperative to let them know on their day that how they are strongest pillar in a student life. Though every teacher is unique in her style of teaching and handling students, few leaves an impression that is everlasting. One such personality is our Saha sir, who teaches us economics, a subject that is very important in everyone's future, whoever is from commerce stream. This expertise in subject and the way he handled doubts of each student in the class has made him favorite of many. I myself was very nervous about studying economics as a separate subject, but his teaching style has not only helped me overcome my nervousness but also made him as on my favorite subject. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to thank him and all other teachers, including those who have taught me in the past also for their selfless efforts to make our future bright. Thank you so much.
सुप्रभात आदरणीय प्राचार्य महोदय और शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्रिय साथियों। आज इस शिक्षक दिवस के अवसर पर मैं लकड़ा सर के बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहती हूँ। अक्षर अक्षर हमें सिखाया है, अक्षर अक्षर हमें सिखाते हैं, जीवन क्या है हमें समझाते हैं। वही तो हमारे सच्चे गुरु कहलाते हैं, वही तो हमारे सच्चे गुरु कहलाते हैं। और लकड़ा सर ने हमें हमेशा ही अच्छे तरीके से पढ़ाया है। उन्होंने हमें क्लास 11 से पढ़ाया है। अंततः मैं आप सबके सामने एक श्लोक प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ, तो लीजिए प्रस्तुत है। गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः, तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। इस शिक्षक दिवस पर सभी गुरुजनों को मेरा कोटि कोटि अभिनंदन। थैंक यू सर, लग रहा सर कि आपने हम सबको इतने अच्छे तरीके से पढ़ाया, जीवन क्या है वो भी हमें समझाया, हर कठिन परिस्थिति में हमें उभरना सिखाया। यहाँ तक कि जब क्लास 11th में हमारे मार्क्स कम आते थे तब आपने हमें ये भी बताया कि हमें कैसे करना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए। थैंक यू सो मच सर कि आपने हमें इतना सपोर्ट किया। थैंक यू सो मच।
First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Today, I want to draft a message for Mrs. Tapaswani Panigrihi ma'am. Ma'am, my journey begins when I saw my class 10th result. It's not very good marks in maths, but by this reason, I afraid for taking maths as a subject. But I take it as a challenge and also with lots of fear on my mind. But ma'am, when I literally started studying from you, I feel so secure about my grades. Ma'am, I really love the way you teach us. You explain everything very politely and nicely. You cleared all our doubts various times, but every time as a first time.
And at last, sorry ma'am if sometimes unknowingly any one of us hurts you, and thank you for teaching us like a mother teaches her own child. Thank you ma'am for making my calculation strong and teaching the formula of success. I request you to please stay connected with me not only till the school but after the school also. Thank you ma'am.
Good morning to all of you, and a very happy Teachers' Day to the respected teachers. I am blessed that I am having this opportunity to say something for Tapaswini ma'am. You not only teach us maths, but the life lessons you have gave us, we are really blessed. You are a true role model, a hero in this COVID situation, and all other teachers as well. The hard work you have done is really something that I want to include in my life, not in this situation, but last year also. All that you have done, we are really thankful for that. एक लाइन मैं आपके लिए कहना चाहूंगी सभी टीचर्स के लिए कि जिंदगी गिरवी रख कर भी ना उतार पाएंगे ये कर्जा सिर्फ शिक्षक ही नहीं भगवान से भी ऊपर है आपका दर्जा थैंक यू
A very warm good morning.
Wish you all great teachers. Wish you all great Teachers Day. Here, I'm Nisha, Science Student of BAS 2020-21. Respected Kiro sir, I really admire you for your tolerance power. It's perfect. It's huge pleasure for myself if I can take any of this quality from you. Thank you, sir, for being a part of my school session.
Good morning to all my dear friends and my teachers. Thank you to first of all, I wish all my teachers the happy Teachers Day. I want to tell about Mr. Kiro sir, who is our class teacher in class 11th and 12th also. Kiro sir is always supporting in all the problems and always keep support us in always keep support us in every situation. Thank you sir for in our thank you sir for in our life and thank you for our supporting. Thank you.
A very warm good morning and a happy Teachers' Day to our principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, we will try our best to make Teachers' Day memorable on this limited virtual platform, which can be completed only with the support of all of us. In this beautiful occasion of Teachers' Day, I got a chance to say about our venerable teacher, Mr. Mayadhar Panda. It is very well quoted by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Teachers are the backbone of any country, the pillar upon which all aspirations are converted into realities, which our teacher resembles very well. Sir, you are the one guiding hundreds to become a future physicist. There are no words to define your love towards us. With these my words, I would like to ask Shreyans to wish you and show his gratitude towards you.
Good morning, sir, and wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day again. Physics, being one of the best way to explore universe, has played a major role in my understanding of science, and you played a role in our understanding of physics. I am very thankful for that, and want you to inspire us in future also. Once again, thank you for your support. With this, I end my speech and ask Ashutosh to share his views.
First of all, a very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers. We are very grateful. We are very grateful to have you here. Your love
support and knowledge and experience has benefited us a lot. It has been a great privilege to work with you all. You have always supported our creativity and taught lessons for whole life. With this, I conclude my line, and once again, a very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Thank you.
Good morning, respected Principal Sir, all my teachers, and my dear friends. Today, as we are celebrating Virtual Teachers' Day celebration, I want to wish all my teachers Happy Teachers' Day, all my teachers. First of all, I want to thank my all primary teachers, as all are saying about secondary classes teachers, but no one is telling about primary teachers. But I want to tell them that our first school teacher were the primary teachers who are not here in our school, but we should have gratitude towards them. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to share my experience about my favorite teacher, Geeta ma'am. So I'm saying this all with my personal experience. I didn't like math till class 9, and I was not hoping very good marks in my board exams. But I still managed to score good marks in mathematics. It was all because of Geeta ma'am. I remember those days when you taught us. I was in section B, and you taught us on the last day till our board exam. That was on 7th March, and you taught us till 6th of March. I'm so much blessed, and I'm very thankful to Veena ma'am also that she gave me opportunity to go to regional sports meet, and you were our escort teacher. Ma'am, having a teacher like you who loves us as her own child is really a blessing. I'm so much thankful to you, and I wanted to present you as I wanted to present you in Teachers' Day this year, but it could not be possible. It cannot possible. So I will try to apply your qualities in my life. Thank you so much, ma'am, and thank you all my teachers.
माननीय प्रिंसिपल सर, सम्मानित शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्रिय साथी, आज के इस अवसर पर मैं आप सबको शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक बधाई देती हूँ। शिक्षक एक ऐसे व्यक्ति हैं हमारे जीवन के जो हमें हर कठिनाई से लड़ना सिखाते हैं, हमें हर कदम पर बिना डगमगाए चलना सिखाते हैं। अज्ञानता रूपी अंधकार से भरे हमारे इस जीवन को ज्ञान रूपी उजाले की ओर ले जाते हैं।
गुड मॉर्निंग टीचर। कुछ इस तरह हम अपनी टीचर को विश करते शुरुआत करते दिन, और जब टीचर सुनते थे तो बस एक ही बात बोलते, तुम सारे विश कर रहे हो या गाने गा रहे हो। खैर, वो कहते हैं ना, जिंदगी में हर कोई हमें कुछ ना कुछ सिखा जरूर देते हैं। उसी तरह टीचर भी हमें बहुत कुछ सिखा देते हैं बचपन से ही, जैसे कि चलना चलना, बोलना, उठना बैठना, पढ़ना लिखना, हर चीज सिखाते हैं।
My name is Kiran. As a teacher, as a student, I present Anjali ma'am. As a teacher, you are the most important part of a student's life. There are only few people in our lives who impact our world, and teachers are definitely one of them. Our mother and father gives us birth, but our teachers, they are our those parents who leads us to human success. I am very lucky today because I got a chance to play a role of. But no one can take place of a teacher because they are superb.
Good morning. Good morning to all our teachers. I would like to thank every teacher who has been our guiding force during this lockdown, and especially Anjali ma'am. Ma'am, thank you so much. Thank you for being a great teacher, and it gives me immense pleasure to be here and to talk about the personality I adore the most. I was not sure about CA, but with you, learning was easier and funnier. Thank you so much. Once again, happy Teachers' Day.
Okay, one information to all of you. That's see your camera to be turned on while you are sharing your message or views for teacher. Okay, that can be recorded here. We're recording that same here. Okay.
A very god, a very Very warm good morning to all teachers, friends, and principal, sir. Happy Teachers Day to all. I am going to dedicate some lines for Veena ma'am. The way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take, the love you give makes you the best teacher. शिक्षक का दर्जा धरती पाताल आकाश तो क्या ईश्वर से भी ऊंचा होता है। शिक्षक का दर्जा धरती पाताल आकाश तो क्या ईश्वर से भी ऊंचा होता है। उनकी तुलना किसी और से करना सब फीका होता है, सब फीका होता है। अब मैं अपना स्वरचित कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ। कर कमलों से जिनके सस्ती है दुनिया, कोशिशों से जिनके बढ़ती है दुनिया, मार्गदर्शन से जिनके चलती है दुनिया, नतमस्तक जिनको करती है दुनिया, ज्ञान दीप से जिसके जगमगाती है दुनिया, अज्ञानता मिटती है और रोशन होती है दुनिया, गुरु का जिनको पूछती है दुनिया, शिक्षक का शीश नवाती है दुनिया, माता पिता और सखा भी मानती है दुनिया, महत्ता जिनकी जानती है दुनिया, आशीष से जिनके चांद छुआया दुनिया, मंगल की धूल तक पहुंचाया दुनिया, पद चिन्हों पर जिनके चलती है दुनिया, रीढ़ों से जिनके लदी है दुनिया, कर्मों से जिनके बनती है दुनिया, कर कमलों से जिनके सजती है दुनिया। ऐसे समस्त शिक्षकों को कोटि कोटि प्रणाम जिन्होंने बनाया इस दुनिया को महान। धन्यवाद एंड हैप्पी वंस अगेन हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू ऑल द टीचर्स। थैंक यू।
Good morning to all teachers and my dear friends. I am Vijeta.
And I am Pallavi.
We are representing Mrs. Sosan Lakra ma'am. I want to tell you about ma'am. Thank you ma'am to always support us, and thank you to always guide us, especially in library to find books and everything. Thank you ma'am for your love and support. Thank you, and I wish all the teachers a happy Teachers' Day.
I am lucky to have a teacher as wonderful you are, ma'am. Wishing you a happy Teachers' Day that's full of joyous moments. Our parents gave us life, and it was you who taught us how to live it. You introduced honesty, integrity, and passion to our character. Happy Teachers' Day, ma'am. You are the spark, the inspiration, the guide, the candle of our life. I am deeply thankful that you are our teacher. You always remind us that there are good things in this world. And whenever we were in doubt in any subject, we go to library and ma'am, you always helps us in finding books. Thank you so much, ma'am, and wish you happy Teachers' Day to you.
Ending the representation from student side, I would like to thank each and every primary teacher because where we are standing is all of their effort. Respected Budhia sir, Samrat sir, Deepmala ma'am, Gupta sir, and those each and every teacher who making our school future children's bright and confident. Sorry that I couldn't involve each teacher's name from primary section. But sir and ma'am, you all play a crucial role in making our future bright. Thank you.
Good morning, Honorable Principal Sir, all the teachers, staff members, and my lovely friends. I am Prachi Devangan. Today I am as Priyanka Sahu ma'am. As we all know, today we are celebrating a virtual online celebration of Teachers' Day. Due to COVID-19, we are not stand together, but we try to celebrating and wishing our teachers, thanking for molding our lives on good shape. They not only give us knowledge, but also shape our imagination to build a better future for ourselves. And I would like to special thanks to my one of my favorite teacher, Mrs. Priyanka Sahu ma'am, who teaches me dance and music. From my childhood, I very interested on these activities. Ma'am always supported me and motivating to performing on stage and making me confident. Thank you, ma'am, for your lovely supporting and teaches me dance. I was really enjoyed a lot. There are unforgettable moments with you. Thank you, ma'am. I am very lucky to have a teacher like you, always helping in school programs and all the cultural activities in our school. You are very hardworking. I remembered when our SST exhibitions movement, how many hard work you have done for me. You act as a lovely friend. हमने बिल्कुल सोचा भी नहीं था आप हमारी फ्रेंड्स की तरह रहती थी वहाँ बहुत सपोर्ट किया आपकी हार्ड वर्किंग बहुत थी स्कूल के बाद भी आप रुक करके हमारे लिए प्रैक्टिस पे रहती थी थैंक यू मैम वो मोमेंट्स कभी भूला नहीं जाएगा एंड मेरे सब्जेक्ट टीचर्स स्पेशल थैंक्स करना चाहूँगी साहा सर आलोक सर लकड़ा सर बहुत हेल्प किया आप लोगों ने थैंक यू एंड ऑल टीचर्स थैंक यू
Good morning, Principal Sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. In this grand occasion, I want to tell you a few about our social studies teacher, Mr. Binod Kesri. I have seen him best assistant teacher so far. He not only used to teach us about our subject, he also helped us to build a strong character. He teaches us good manner and the life skills. Thank you, and a very happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning to one and all the teachers and dear friends. First of all, I would like to thank all teachers here to make us what we are today. Thank you for having so much patience. Thank you for inspiring and motivating us. Good morning to one and all. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. I am Aditya Srivastav. I got chance to become Seth Sir today. This is the ideal teacher for me who is my inspiration. There will never be such teacher in every school who live like a teacher and friends with a student. I am such lucky student that I have such teachers miles in my life. This is a teacher who likes students very much and live with love. Whenever me felt hungry, we friends asked to serve for samosa from outside and then used to eat in their room. He is ideal sir for us. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers.
First of all, a wonderful good morning to my teachers and my dear friend. Here are some teachers day wishing all my teachers a happy Teachers Day. In this special day, I would like to thank you, Mr. A. Ran sir, Mrs. Veena ma'am, Shiny sir, our school principal H.L. Pradhan sir, and
यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन, गुल्लक में बड़ी जवानी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन, ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी जिंदगी जीने की उम्र थी दोस्ती और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे।
Greeting to all my dear teachers and my dear friends. I am Tanushree Mishra of class 9th B. Today I am going to tell a speech on the Teachers Day. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. Let's us welcome all the teachers with a big round of applause. On this beautiful occasion, let's us take the opportunity to convey the wishes to all our teachers who have given impeccable contribution in shaping the buildings of our lives. They act as the second mother to all the students. On this August occasion, on behalf of all the students, I would like to thank you teachers for molding us into worthy people to face the world boldly. Teachers' Day is celebrated in commemoration of the great leader Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was the President of India in the tenure between 1962 to 1967. He was a scholar and a firm believer of education such that his birth anniversary came to be celebrated as Teachers' Day. So, thank you all my dear teachers for teaching us and making our future bright. Thank you very much. Happy Teachers' Day.
Hello guys, my name is Ashish Anant. I study in class 2A. आज मैं आपको सुनाने वाला हूँ टीचर्स डे का सॉन्ग. हैप्पी टीचर्स डे, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू ऑल माय टीचर्स. हैप्पी टीचर्स डे, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू ऑल माय टीचर्स. यू आर माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड, यू आर माय role model, you are my best friend, you are my role model, you are my light of life, you are my gift from God, you are my light of life, you are my gift from God. Happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. I love you teacher, I love you teacher, I praise you teacher, I praise you teacher. I thank you teacher, I thank you teacher for everything. Happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Thank you.
हम मेरे सभी शिक्षकों को मेरा नमन एवं शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. आज शिक्षक दिवस के उपलक्ष्य पर मैं हेमंत त्रिपाठी कक्षा 9वीं वर्ग से अपने शिक्षकों के लिए कुछ पंक्तियां प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ. जीवन में जो राह दिखाए सही तरह चलना सिखलाए, माता पिता से भी ऊपर का स्थान पाते हैं मेरे शिक्षक महान. सबको मान प्रतिष्ठा जिनसे सीखी कर्तव्य निष्ठा जिनसे, हमारे पथ दर्शक हैं जो मेरे मन को सदैव भाते, वे मेरे शिक्षक कहलाते. कभी शांत कभी है धीर, स्वभाव में सदा गंभीर, जो सूखी डाली को देते हरियाली, बेजान जान को जीवन जो देते, वे मेरे शिक्षक कहलाते. धन्यवाद.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा, गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः, तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः, तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
गुड इवनिंग, मेरा नाम है कान पटेल। मैं आपको शिक्षक दिवस की बताना चाहता हूँ। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वर, गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। हमारे भारत देश में हर साल 5 सितंबर को शिक्षक दिवस मनाया जाता है। इस दिन भारत के द्वितीय राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन का जन्मदिन मनाया जाता है, जो महान विद्वान और राजा शिक्षक थे। भारत देश में 5 सितंबर 1962 से शिक्षक दिवस मनाया जाता है, जिनसे मैं जो भी सीखा हूँ उन्हें मेरा बहुत सारे ढेरों बधाइयाँ। थैंक यू।
Anshi Verma from class 6B, respected principal sir and all teachers. I say thank you to all of you. Thank you teacher for reaching deep in me to find all I can be before I can see it myself. Never gave up on me. I have a future because of you. I will present another poetry for you. Roses are red, violets are blue. With gratitude I say thank you.
ऐसे कदम लेकर जब आए थे पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को है प्यार। ऐसे कदम लेकर जब आए थे पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को है प्यार।
हमारे विद्यालय के विद्यार्थियों ने बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से अपने शिक्षकों के लिए अपनी भावनाएं व्यक्त की। इसके लिए सारे शिक्षक अभिभूत और उनके आभारी हैं कि इतनी अच्छी सोच रखते हैं। विद्यालय की तरफ से छात्रों और छात्र छात्राओं के प्रति यही कामना की जाती है कि वे सुखी रहें, समृद्ध रहें, हमेशा उनका भविष्य उज्जवल रहे, स्वस्थ रहें और आगे बढ़ते रहें। इसी क्रम में अगर कोई विद्यालय का बच्चा चाहता है कि कुछ अपना प्रस्तुतिकरण देना चाहता है तो वो सामने आ सकता है। मंजीत सिंह, अगर आप काव्य पाठ करना चाहते हैं तो आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है यहाँ वर्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म पे, और अपना कैमरा जरूर ऑन कर लीजिएगा।
यस सर।
हाँ बेटा।
आप सभी को मेरा सुप्रभात। आज शिक्षक दिवस के इस पावन अवसर पर मैं शिक्षकों के प्रति अपने आभार को और शिक्षकों के आभार को व्यक्त करना चाहता हूं और साथ ही शिक्षकों के प्रयास को भी व्यक्त करना चाहता हूं। एक छोटी सी कविता है जो मैं अपने शिक्षकों को समर्पित करना चाहता हूं। इसमें इन सभी महान शिक्षकों के प्रयास हैं और उनके प्रयासों के प्रति हमारा आभार है। तो लीजिए प्रस्तुत है। राहें हैं ये मुश्किल, मंजिल बहुत है दूर। राहें हैं ये मुश्किल, मंजिल बहुत है दूर। हार जीत की फिक्र न करना, बस तुम कोशिश करना जरूर। आंखों में ख्वाब लिए तुम बड़े चलो, मन में विश्वास लिए तुम बड़े चलो। मिले हो जितनी भी निराशाएं तुम्हें, मिली हो जितने भी निराशाएं तुम्हें, सहज स्वीकार किए तुम बड़े चलो। मुख में मुस्कान लिए तुम बड़े चलो, उम्मीदों के धार लिए तुम बड़े चलो। अपनी कमियों को देखो, उसे पूरा करो और खुद को तैयार किए तुम बड़े चलो। जीवन के हर मोड़ में हम साथ होंगे तुम्हारे, शिक्षा के रूप में या किसी सीख के बहाने। जीवन के हर मोड़ में हम साथ होंगे तुम्हारे, शिक्षा के रूप में या किसी सीख के बहाने। तुम्हारी सीख से, ज्ञान से अस्तित्व हमारा है, क्योंकि शिक्षक बिना शिष्य भी अपूर्ण हो जाता है। ये हमारे शिक्षकों के प्रयास हैं और उनके प्रयासों के प्रति हमारा आभार मैं व्यक्त करना चाहता हूं। इन राहों पर चलना, चलकर आगे बढ़ना बहुत मुश्किल है, मन में विश्वास लिए सब करना। इन राहों पर चलना, चलकर आगे बढ़ना बहुत मुश्किल है, मन में विश्वास लिए सब करना। तो जब जब आप हमें सहायता देते हैं, हमारा मार्ग दर्शाते हैं, इन कठिनाइयों में भी खुश होकर रहना सिखाते हैं, तब तब मुझे लगता है ये जिंदगी हम जी लेंगे। तब तब मुझे लगता है ये जिंदगी हम जी लेंगे। जीवन हो छोटी मगर खुलकर जीना हम सीख लेंगे। धन्यवाद। आप सभी को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मंजीत जी। आपकी वाणी में काफी ऊर्जा और ओजस्विता थी। इसी क्रम में मैं कार्यक्रम के समापन में कुछ कहना चाहता हूं कि यह शिक्षक दिवस दुनिया के तमाम शिक्षकों के लिए तो समर्पित है ही, हमारे देश के दूसरे राष्ट्रपति और पहले उपराष्ट्रपति श्री सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन को विशेष रूप से समर्पित है।
नमस्कार, हैप्पी टीचर डे।
से राधा कृष्णन जी पर पूरी तरह से खरी उतरती है। बर्ट्रैंड रसल ने उनके राष्ट्रपति बनने पर की बात है कि राधा कृष्णन जैसी शख्सियत हमारे देश में आई थी, और ये भी खुशी की बात है कि हमारे भारत को विश्व गुरु का दर्जा दिया गया है, जो विश्व को एक नई दिशा दिखाता है। और बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सभी का, सभी छात्र छात्राओं का, जिन्होंने अपनी भावनाओं को व्यक्त किया। पुनः मैं केंद्रीय विद्यालय रायगढ़ परिवार की तरफ से यह कामना करना चाहता हूं कि आपका भविष्य उज्जवल हो, मंगलमय हो, आप हमेशा प्रगति पथ पर अग्रसर रहें। कार्यक्रम का यही समापन किया जाता है। आप सबको फिर से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।